I love teaching English because I love to see how communication needs to transform into this new completely different system and setting, and how children discover that at the beginning they are very literal and they try to translate, and with time they start to discover that it's just rebuilding your message in a different language. And when they stop thinking about that they have to translate and they just start wanting to communicate, it starts to happen much more fluently, and they realize they know much more than they think they know.
They shouldn't be nervous. They should just focus on learning. They should just focus on speaking. Even if they are not perfect, it's okay. They shouldn't be perfect. No one is perfect. So I'm always telling them, focus on learning this language. Do not focus on being perfect on this language.
I think that when children feel comfortable and they feel safe in the English class, they can learn in an easier way, because sometimes English is a little hard to learn.
From my humble opinion, the best way to study English is by striking up new relationships. It is not only that you go home, you study the verb tenses, you study the vocabulary, the grammar points, and that's all. But you also need to put those things into practice. If you don't practice the things that you learn, you are not gonna broaden your horizons.
I always encourage children to speak, even if they are wrong, and they know that they learn by mistakes. It's very challenging for them to try to speak, and it's very rewarding at the end for them to realize that they got something, they arrived to a place they've learned.